need someone to save me. No, and don't come running to blame me. From miles away, I can tell that something's off. The way you look and how you pause when you talk.
This look is for the girls that does not want to wear a lot of shadow, those that loves brown or neutral colors. This look is for y'all. Stay tuned and watch how I created it. It's a simple everyday matte brown look. You can wear it to your work or wherever. Just stay tuned and I'll show you how I did it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Caribbean Melanin Goddess. Today guys, I went to the Dollar Tree and I got me a bunch of goodies that I will be incorporating in today's video. They're all economical products guys. The most expensive thing I think I used in this look was my foundation and my concealer. Everything else was below 8 Canadian dollars. So y'all know, I mean, like, it doesn't get better than this, you know what I mean? So, to start off the look, guys, I'm priming my eyes with the e.l.f. Brow and Lash Mascara. It's a clear product, and I usually use both ends because whenever I use both ends, guys, honestly, I think I get a better result. You know what I mean? So I always use both ends. But before I go any further, guys, I'd like to pray because me personally, if I don't pray, nothing comes out perfect. Like everything, my entire life has been surrounded, has been like, you know, consist of me praying. So I have to pray before I do anything, you guys. So now let's continue and do the do. I went in now with my LA Colors pencil. It's a eyeliner and brow pencil. It's in the shade black. It's very creamy, you guys. All you need to do is just lightly, shade your brows in. You don't need to apply any pressure because the thing is pigmented AF. Now I'm going back in with my e.l.f. Brow and Lash Mascara. I'm using both ends again just to blend everything out, make sure that everything is seamless and everything looks as natural as possible. Now, I'm using my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Concealer along with my NYX number 12 brush. I think it's number 12. I'll link it in the description anyways. I'm using my NYX number 12 brush with my Can't Stop Won't Stop Concealer in the shade Caramel to clean up my brows. And you guys, just take your time when you're doing your brows. I know it can be very complicated and sometimes you might feel like giving up or feel like, oh, it makes no sense that I will never be perfect or I'll never be as good as that person. But just keep going, take it from me. I was you at one point. Now I am going over the top with the same brush, guys. I haven't added any extra product. I am just using the leftover product from the bottom portion and I am just using it to clean up the top portion because the less product you use, to me guys, the better it is for you. Just in case you're nervous, like if you have a lot of product, then there's a chance that it might mess your brows up. Then I'm going back in with my e.l.f. Brow and Lash Mascara to do the do, you know what I mean? That's an eye cream now, guys. The eye cream is from Algenist eye cream. I usually use an eye cream, my Fenty Beauty eye cream, because you want to keep the girls moisturized. You want to make sure your skin is beautiful, so moisturize at all costs, guys. Yes guys, moisturizing is essential. Now I'm going in with my Milani Conceal and Perfect Longwear Concealer. It's in the shade 140 Pure Beige, and I'm using that, guys, to prime my lid for the shadow. As you can see, I did not bring it all the way up top because it was relatively light and I didn't want to use such a light concealer right under my brows. Now the palette that I'm using, guys, is the Wet n Wild Art Artistry palette, and this palette, guys, is very economical too. It's sold at Walmart in Canada And I love the shadows, guys. Like, I'm not even capping. Like, I honestly love the shadows and the payoff. Like, it's a good, it's worth it. You know what I mean? So I would advise you guys to get it. The brush that I'm using is the NYX number 14 brush. I will link that in the description too. And yes, guys, just blend. All you need to do is make sure you blend like your life depends on it. You know what I mean? That's another brush I am using, guys, a cleaner brush I am using to bring the product up closer to my brow bone and make sure everything looks seamless. So now, you guys, I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. Expert Liquid Eyeliner in the shade Jet Black to line my eyes. I'm just gonna give myself a little wing just to, you know, make the look more, you know, give it a little buzz, for the lack of a better word. So now, you guys, I'm going in with my e.l.f. Big Mode Mascara to prime my lashes as per usual before I had the falsies. The lashes that I'm wearing today is the Case Triple Push-Up Collection, Lash Couture Collection. I honestly don't remember the style of those lashes because I've been wearing them for a while, but that's what I'm gonna use today in today's look.
Always shining bright, but if the sky would open.
Now, you guys, the eyes are already done and we're going in to do the most favorite part of the look. One of the most favorite part, that is, we're going to do the face. So I'm just priming my face with the e.l.f. Moisture Lock Primer. This primer, guys, I tell you, it is the bomb.com too. Like, I have a few that are my Holy Grail primers. They're very economical, but when I tell you they do the trick, they do the trick. Now I'm going in. Now I'm going in with my Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place foundation. It's in the shade Amber Honey, and the brush that I'm using, guys, is my Juvia's Place foundation brush. And as you can see, guys, the foundation blends seamlessly. And I'm also using the Estee Lauder Double Wear Concealer. It's actually my first time using it, you guys, but when I tell you I love it, I mean I flipping love the product. It is the bomb.com too. No cap, like literally being honest. I'm literally being honest, you know what I mean? These products, I really do love them, and I'm using my Real Techniques Soft 421 Soft Accent Brush, guys, and I'm just using that to blend everything in, blend the concealer in, because you know we want to be out here looking flawless. You know, when you're in your 30 late years, like, we got to, like, queens, we have to come through, especially when, you know, life happens, you know what I mean? So I'm just blending that all in, guys, blending every single part of it in perfectly, because you know we all like perfection.
You're so damn cold.
Now, guys, I'm going in with my Maybelline Super Stay lipstick. I am using that today, guys, as a blush, and the shade that I'm using is, I don't remember, I will link it in the description though. So yes, guys, it's my Maybelline Matte Ink. It's in the shade 125 Erin. I'll link it in the description. Now, guys, I'm going back in with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and the sponge that I'm using, guys, I bought it from Shein, I will also link it in the description down below. But guys, this setting powder was one of the first, if not the first setting powder I ever purchased in 2017 when I just started out makeup. And honestly guys, like as you can see, I went back to it. That means it's doing the do. It is doing what it's supposed to. It's a very good economical setting powder, you guys. So I'm just pushing it in to the skin. A little FYI, the sponge is damp. I am using a damp beauty blender to apply the setting powder, and like I said, I'm just pushing it into the skin, you guys. Now I'm doing a little reverse contour. Trying to get that face snatch, you know what I mean? When you're 30 late and after having 6 kids, you got to.
Won't she turn around? Won't she look at me? Oh, please, won't she notice me? I want her to notice.
So look at that face, you guys. Yo, I am already loving the end result, and we're not even there yet. So now guys, I went in to do my waterline using my Nude by Nature eyeliner pencil in shade 02 brown, and then I went in with my Morphe not Morphe, my NYX Cosmetic number 14 brush with a little bit of the shadow that was left over on it to blend out the under eye. And then I went in with my Real Technique brush. I don't remember what number it is. I will link it in the description. Now I'm adding some mascara to my bottom lashes. The mascaras I used was the Big Mood mascara by ELF and my Tarte mascara. I don't remember the name of it too. I will also link that. Then I went back in with a Nude by Nature pencil and I lined my lips, and the lippy that I used was the Revlon matte lip matte light crayon, guys. The shade that I use is WO Clear the Hair. So it's the WO Clear the Hair, and I went in with my Cosmic blush. That's one that I got from the dollar store, you guys, and I use it as a powder blush to set the liquid blush that I used earlier. Now I went in with my ELF Oil Control Primer Mist to set my face, you guys. Now I'm just fanning my face so that the setting spray can, get dry. And I went in back with my beauty blender, guys, just to push the product into the skin, just to make it a little more skin-like, And as you can see, like, do you see what I'm seeing when you do that, guys? It does the trick. And here is the finished look, you guys. Beautiful. Am I not looking like a goddess, you guys? Like, be honest with yourself. Like, talk truth. Me not look good. Holy, I love the end result, you guys. Like, I'm just loving this look. It is simple and beautiful. It has a buzz. It definitely has a buzz, you know what I mean? So I hope you guys enjoy this look. I hope you're planning on recreating it. Like, I'd appreciate you guys doing that. Thank you guys for watching again. God bless you.